In the VoltWise home, something strange is happening.
Daddy,
Yes?
why is the fridge making that noise? Maybe it's just old.
Oh my god.
What's this?
Aha! The fridge has turned into a money-eating monster.
The fridge is eating our money.
A faulty fridge can waste up to 30% of your electricity bill.
Clean the coils and close the door properly.
With simple care, the fridge goes back to normal. And the monster disappears. Take care of your fridge, save money. Follow VoltWise for more insightful tips.